Come in the back. Guys, so gonna do the sneezing challenge. Okay.
Oh,
got my do I rub it on
Pepper,
there?
just a little bit. Don't put a lot, or you'll die. Just kidding. I don't know. Stick out your nose. She's gonna try to sneeze with her eyes open.
Dude.
Oh.
Ew. Wait.
Oh, that's a sexy face.
No, you can't do that.
Oh wait.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay.
Oh god.
There was a pepper. Okay.
Were your eyes open?
Yeah. No, I blinked. Okay. Try it again.
Broke.
Okay. Go back to the thingy.
I know it's on.
Okay.
I'm just putting on the music, you know.
No, don't put on the song because it's gonna.
Oh god.
Come on, push it out.
Let's sneeze out, girl.
Ew, it's on my head.
Tell.
Dude, this is a gay song.
No,
It's still on.
don't put anything on.
Oh.
Okay, let me try one more time.
Okay, while you're
One more
digging,
little
I'm
whiff.
gonna like click something real quick.
Okay. Okay.
Ew, hella nasty.
Okay.
Here you go, guys.
Okay.
Come on, this is what makes you beautiful.
Do we make up? Oh. Dude, this is fake right here.
Okay.
This is her face.
Okay, let me try one more time. One more little whiff.
One more little.
Okay.
Papa. Turn the music off.
Okay, yeah, turn the music off.
Okay. It ain't hard to. Oh, which nostril are you going with?
Okay.
Don't pee.
I feel it. Wait. Okay. Okay. All for now. Bye.